on your mind if you hear the words about social media?
I mean, social media is not working like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and
And how about Miss Fitriani? I think social media is the media for us to can build a relation in another country. Yeah. Well, thank you for the answer. Actually, if we ask about social media, maybe everyone has a different explanation on it, but it has the same purpose to make all people, all users share about everything that they want to share, and the other user can get the thing that he or she shares based on what kind of social network that they use. But in this case, we are going to explain about social media for business. Okay, definition of social media. Social media is a channel or means of social interaction online in the virtual world, where the user can make communication, interaction, send messages to each other, and sharing and building a network with the other people by social networking inside social media. Actually, social media has the same definition with social networking, where there are a lot of applications inside social networking to give or to get any information, but the difference of the both is the application inside social network. It can be called as social media because it can be used for share or get any information for or from citizens. And the second is the important social media for business. Social media can be in this modern area, especially in business world. Social media has the important function. For the example, social media can be a network for all businessmen or businesswomen to get any information about several important things such as information about the profit, income or outcome, date or time or meeting between business relation, and many more. Using media social as a part of business system can make the running of business system easier. That is why all person who works in business world must have social network, and they have to know about what is social media. And the third process of social media for business. In this case, the businessman make the one product, and then the product discussed by all business relation and deciding what is the next step. After that, the product will be sold. In this case, the product will be introduced by social media, and then the customer will make a payment based on what the product that have chosen by the customer. And then the reason social media is important for business. This is the reason social media is important for business because this learn about your customer and connect with your audience. All such a business has grown to know their audience very well. The benefit of social media is that getting to know your audience is no easier than ever. With analytics like Facebook, Insight, and Hotspot, you can understand the media demographics and patterns of your customer behavior. This is not only allows you to better target your audience, but it also helps you understand the specific needs of your customer base. And the second is reach a new audience locally. locally and globally. Those familiar with Twitter will know that it's easy to use Twitter to connect with current customers or to seek out a new audience. And the third, in social media, people who live in uptown or downtown can see about the business operation. So, if there is a person who interested to make relationship with the businessman, they can see it by social media, no matter where they live at. The fourth is the businessman can look about the kinds of business around the world by social media. So they can learn of it or compare their own business or company with the other business. I think that's all my material. Any question? Yes, please.
Okay, thanks. I'm Sandy. I wanna ask you about.
Can you give us one of example about the useful of social media for business? Yes, thank you for your question, and I will try to answer. For the example, there is a businessman